to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a isdone DLL and arc DLL error when you're playing some games or installing some games like GTA. And the GTA itself have a large size. So for example, this isdone DLL and arc DLL error in Windows 10 or 11 is mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as a program of large size. Large games or program have a compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC ROM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC ROM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So the first thing to do, you can try to run Windows R, and here you can run sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Here you can increase your Windows page file or virtual memory. Here you can click Advanced, click Performances, and again you can click Advanced. Here you can click Change, and untick automatically manage paging file size for all hard drive. Here you can fill this custom size. So the rules is for most games 2.5 gigabyte is enough. So the values which will work in most cases is 400 and 3000. Note that the values are in megabytes, so this set the maximum paging file size to tune of 3 gigabyte. So thanks to answermicrosoft.com and the user to help me specially to get rid this of error. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.